The broke college student stereotype is part of our culture. Between paying for books and classes, paying for your dorm, and spending all your time studying, as a college student, you may often find yourself strapped for cash. But just because you're a college student doesn't mean you have to be broke. Today, I'm going to show you 11 free, easy ways to make money from home as a college student. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 11. Freelance writing. If you want to work as a freelance writer, don't worry about your credentials or experience. You may think that you need extensive credentials or writing of experience to be a freelance writer, but all you really need is a passion for writing. If you love writing, it's not hard to get started. Freelance writing is a flexible and great way to make money as college students, and it's one of the easiest ways to start making money, especially if ideas come quickly to you and you love writing. There is a lot of freelance work online. You can sign up for sites like Upwork and Fiverr to get started. And then once you've built your portfolio, you can start finding freelance jobs on sites like ProBlogger and Freelance Writing Jobs. You can also submit your writing to any number of online writing and blog outlets, as well as publications on Medium. Then, if you end up getting published on one of those sites, you can add that to your portfolio and land even more work. Number 10. Personal blogging. Blogging is a great side hustle because you can do it at your own pace, anywhere you want. This isn't a quick and easy way to make money, but it is a way to build your own audience and write on topics you're interested in. The key to making money as a blogger is to write content that provides value to your readers. For example, don't just write about your experiences, also include what you learned from that experience and how it can benefit others. Once you're ready to start your blog, the next step is to choose a host for your website. HostGator and Bluehost are both popular options for beginner bloggers. It does take time to build up an audience to make a decent amount of money, but once you have a large following, you may earn over $15,000 per month or more. Number 9. Graphic designer. If you're an artist and have a knack for graphic design, you could do online design work for websites and businesses. This could be everything from creating small advertisement graphics to complete site redesigns. You can also reach out to small businesses in your area. Let them know what services you offer, business cards, branding, flyer design, etc., and how you can help them increase brand awareness. Show examples of your work. Many bloggers use freelance designers for Pinterest image creation and other social media images. Email your favorites or any friends who blog and see if they could use your new skills. Number 8. Proofreader. Proofreading is a fairly simple job if you have an eye for spotting grammar and punctuation mistakes. It's one of the best online jobs for college students since you're using your proofreading skills, checking for spelling, grammatical, and punctuation errors in your classes anyway. It's the final stage directly before a piece of content is published. Number 7. Social media manager. If you're already spending hours per week on social media, why not get paid for some of that time? Almost every business uses social media management, and many need help managing it. That is why they hire independently contracted social media managers to help build brand awareness by curating content, building relationships with potential customers, and driving new leads. Your job is to be the online voice of the company. Get started in social media marketing by approaching local businesses and telling them about your services. First, reach out to businesses you already frequent, including yoga studios, coffee shops, boutiques, and restaurants. Next, focus on which social media platforms you're most comfortable with and talk about how you can use them to grow your business and reach new customers. Finally, try building your own social media following so you can show businesses that you have the knowledge and experience to build theirs too. Number 6. Virtual assistant. Earn a side income by working as a virtual assistant. This can range from data entry and customer service to copywriting, read emails, and email marketing. The amount you can charge as a virtual assistant depends on your skills and experience. Businesses hire virtual assistants to outsource tasks that don't need to be done in-house. Start working as a virtual assistant by compiling a list of services you can offer. Then create profiles on Zirtual and Virtual Assistant Network to start booking your first clients. Number 5. Search Engine Evaluator. Google isn't always perfect. That's why it and other search engines rely on actual people to provide feedback on the relevance and usefulness of their results. These types of online jobs for college students need people and usually range between 10 and 30 hours per week and can easily work around a busy college schedule. Find search engine evaluator jobs on sites like Lionbridge and Appen. Number 4. Resume Writer. You can learn how to create a killer resume by taking some free workshops. This can turn into a lucrative side hustle if you take advantage of free resources to help build your skills. Like this resume writing class on Skillshare. The easiest way to start offering your resume writing services is through freelance sites such as Upwork or Freelancer. You can even ask around in your friend circle and see who's looking for a job or summer internship. Number 3. Web Developer. Regardless of your major, you can build up a side hustle as a developer. If you have minimal skills, you can get started by taking the Complete Web Developer course on Udemy. This course will teach you everything you need to know to start booking clients and can pay for itself in as little as a week. Of course, one class won't make you a professional coder, but you can get an excellent foundation and the confidence to take on your first client. For new web developers, it's best to start with smaller projects. Learning web development could even be editing existing websites rather than building new ones. The main things to learn are the most popular coding languages and WordPress, and how they work together to form a website. You can begin by bidding on projects on People Per Hour, Upwork, and Freelancer. Skilled web developers are always in high demand and can be extremely lucrative. Earning extra money online doesn't have to be complicated or a chore. As college students, you need the flexibility to work from anywhere and earn some money around your busy class schedule. Start by exploring your interests and skill sets. Then do some research and determine a few options that you might enjoy. Interested in learning more tips and tricks about succeeding while in college? Number 2. Web Designer. I recommend starting a website now, even if it's just for fun, because this is an excellent way to make a lot of money. And age does not matter, you just need to know what to do. You could be a front-end developer like I, which basically means I buy a theme like this website template. This is the template of the website we're on right now, and I customize it to my liking. I'm completely self-taught, aka I Google everything. When it comes to building a website, people think it's really hard and they would rather pay someone else to do it than do it themselves. And that's where you would come in. I volunteered to do my church website because I wanted the experience. I knew nothing about starting a website or the complicated back-end stuff, which is okay because all premium themes come with back-end developer support, so you won't need to learn that. I still don't know it. And you get to ask them for help on the front-end stuff. Doing my church website was a huge learning curve, but so valuable. I learned a lot after learning how to create my church website. And also the website we're on right now, I became really good at it. Number 1. Video Editor. Do you like to make movies? Have you played around and edited some YouTube or Instagram videos before? If this is something you enjoy, you can make an excellent income as a video editor. Everything has gone digital, and yet there are still so many people who have no clue how to edit videos, including me. I'm in a lot of Facebook blogging groups, and people are always asking if anyone knows anyone who can edit videos for them, and they are willing to pay a hefty price, especially if you can create cool, engaging videos and graphics for YouTube videos. How much can you earn? You could easily charge $75 to $150 per hour. How to get started? Practice is really the best way to get started in taking a course to learn the ins and outs. Here's the #1 best-selling video editing course on Udemy, and it's affordable. Thanks for watching, guys. To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.